They're not super big. They like little, but it's like you just gotta look at the water. Bro, I'm not touching this shit. What's up, YouTube? Today I'm on another fishing journey. I'm on base today. I got live shrimp for my bait. I'll be using circle hooks, and I'm just trying to catch whatever's out here. My goal for today is hopefully not catch a lot of pinfish. Let me see, catch a red. A red would be nice. Just want to catch something that I can keep, and also no catfish. So that's the goal, and hopefully I can make something work. I fished on base a few times before, but I've never used live bait. So hopefully that'll bring me some luck. Just pulled up to the spot and I can already see some fish in the water. So I'm going to try to hurry up and get all rigged up and see if I can get something. So I wasn't catching anything at the first spot I was at, so I decided to move, walk down a little bit. Oh man, broke me off. That was my fault. I had to tighten up my drag. I'm gonna cast this one in the same spot. Oh, got one. Come off every time, man. That's what I was getting hooked up at. Oh man, I think it took me. That was a big hit though. It was. It was literally on there though. I think I got it. Oh, where's the mangrove? I knew it was over here. First fish of the day. Got a snapper. Definitely not big enough though. I'm gonna switch my angle because there's rocks over there. I don't want to get broken off. Got another one.
Damn, you ain't telling me. Reeling it in. Let him get in the water and break himself off.
Got my second mangrove.
Put him in the water.
I got the pliers. Bring it in, hurry up, bring it in. What's that, a flounder? Oh, no.
It's poisonous, baby. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Relax.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So what, if it can't touch your skin?
I don't know. I ain't messing with that joint. I'm about to cut him off. That's what we about to do. Come here. It wasn't even like tilted over. Thought I had it. Got one. Got one. Oh, something different this time. Oh. I think this is a red. Oh, it is a red.
They're dying. You don't want them to die.
Finally caught a redfish. At least I think this is a red. I'm pretty sure it's a red. Got the spots on there.
Let me see it.
Hold on.
Like a baby one.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Good. Hold on.
That's your fault.
Good. Oh, got it. What is it? Got a red. Woo! Like that. No, I don't think so. Got a nice redfish. I love the way he feel, bro. You feel it?
No.
Just feel it. Touch it.
Oh yeah, that's adorable.
Redfish? So look, hold her by the cheeks. Just hold her real tight. It ain't gonna fight you. Just hold her by the cheeks real tight. Squeeze hard. And don't let go. You're in control. Got one. Oh, it came off. Oh, nope, still in there. Oh, it's probably a snapper. Oh, another red.
Is that a little baby?
Yeah.
Can you catch one big enough to eat? But if we have it, then we're probably not, right?
No, you never know. What we really have to do, we need to catch some other bait, bro. It's these shrimp. Everything will eat shrimp. We need to catch some pinfish or something. Woo! Gotta go. Oh no, no. Oh man, that was the one. That was the one. So that's the end of the video. Caught a couple of fish, not really what I really wanted, but the good thing is didn't catch any pinfish. I actually caught a couple of redfish. Caught a couple of snapper, but no bigger siders. So more content coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy.